Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Monzo, a relatively new challenger bank that has been making a lot of noise in the UK. I'm going to be discussing whether or not Monzo is an actual bank, as well as some of the pros and cons of using Monzo. Before we get into the details, let's start with a question. What is a bank, anyway? A bank is a financial institution that provides a variety of services to its customers, such as accepting deposits, making loans, issuing credit cards, providing checking accounts, offering investment services. Banks are regulated by the government, and they are required to hold a certain amount of capital in reserve in order to protect their customers' money. Now that we have a better understanding of what a bank is, let's get back to the question at hand. Is Monzo an actual bank? The short answer is yes, Monzo is an actual bank. It is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, which is the UK's financial regulator. Monzo is also a member of the Payment Systems Regulator, PSR, which is the UK's payment systems regulator. Pros of using Monzo. There are a number of reasons why you might want to consider using Monzo as your bank. No monthly fees. Monzo does not charge any monthly fees for its current accounts. This is a big advantage over traditional banks, which typically charge monthly fees of £5 or more. Easy to use. Monzo's app is very user-friendly and easy to navigate. You can easily view your transactions, set up budgets, and transfer money to other accounts. Great customer service. Monzo has a good reputation for customer service. If you have any problems, you can get help quickly and easily. Good interest rates. Monzo offers competitive interest rates on its savings accounts. Free international spending. Monzo does not charge any fees for using your card abroad. Cons of using Monzo. There are also some disadvantages to using Monzo. Limited branch network. Monzo does not have any physical branches. This can be a problem if you prefer to do your banking in person. Not as well known as traditional banks, Monzo is a relatively new bank, so it is not as well known as some of the traditional banks. This can make it difficult to get a loan or mortgage from Monzo. No overdraft facility. Monzo does not offer an overdraft facility. This means that you cannot spend more money than you have in your account. Limited investment options. Monzo does not offer a wide range of investment options. Overall, Monzo is a good option for people who are looking for a modern, convenient, and affordable banking experience. However, it is important to weigh the pros and cons of using Monzo before you make a decision. So, there you have it. Monzo is an actual bank, and it has a number of advantages and disadvantages. I hope this video has helped you to make a decision about whether or not Monzo is the right bank for you. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Monzo, please leave a comment below. I'm happy to answer any questions you have. I would also encourage you to check out my other videos about personal finance. I have a lot of videos that can help you save money, invest your money, and reach your financial goals. Thanks for watching.